Hello dear students, welcome to my channel. Okay, so I am Ganesh. So today I have taken a topic of club foot disorders for discussion. Okay, club foot disorders is also known as talipes. Okay, club foot disorder is a congenital anomaly where there is a deformity in the foot. Okay, what is club foot disorder? It is a congenital anomaly, congenital disorders where there is a presence of a deformity in the foot. Okay, so in order to understand the club foot disorders very well, you need to understand these terminologies. Okay, if you are able to make out these terminologies, then you can easily understand the different types of the club foot. Okay, first one is cavus. Okay, what is cavus? Foot become curved like structure. See, when foot become curved like structures, you can say it is called as a cavus. See, foot become curved. No? Here the foot become curved like structures. It is known as cavus. Next is equinus. Heel is higher than the toe. Okay. See here, the heel is higher than the toe. So these are the toe. This is the heel. When the heel is higher than the toe, it is called as equinus. Okay. Next one is calcaneus. Toes are higher than the heel. Okay. So when the toes are higher than, you can see here, these are the toe. This is heel. When the toes are higher than the heel, it is called a calcaneus. Next one is varus. Foot turn inward. Okay. When the foot is turned inward, it is called as a varus. Okay. Then valgus. Valgus means foot turn outward. When the foot is turned outward, okay, it is called as a valgus. Okay. Now let us see one by one. First one is talipes cavus. Talipes, it is also known as club foot. Okay, it is known as a club foot disorders. So it is a club foot disorders characterized by only you can see there is a curvature in the foot. Okay. So it is a congenital disorders where you will find only curvature in the foot, nothing other than that. Okay, that is talipes cavus. Next one is talipes equinus. Talipes equinus. Talipes is nothing but a club foot disorders which is characterized by what happen here. There will be heel is higher than the toe. Okay, it is a club foot disorders where heel is higher than the toe. So that is a talipes equinus. Next is talipes calcaneus. Talipes calcaneus is a club foot disorders characterized by toes are higher than the heel. Toes are higher than the heel. Okay, only toes are higher than the heel. It is called as a talipes calcaneus. Next is talipes valgus. So talipes is a club foot disorders. Valgus means the foot turn outward. The foot is turned outward. It is called as a talipes valgus. Here the heel and toes are in a normal position, but only deformity is the foot is turned outward. That is why it is called as a talipes valgus. Next is talipes equinovarus. Okay, it is a club foot disorders. You can find two deformity here. Talipes is a club foot disorders where there is a equino. Equino means heel is higher than the toe, and valgus, that is the foot is turned outwards. Okay. Next one is talipes calcano-valgus. So talipes is a club foot disorders. Calcano means toes are higher than the heel. And it is valgus. Valgus means the foot is turned outward. Okay. Next one is talipes varus. Talipes varus is a club foot disorders where the foot is turned inward. Only you can see the foot is turned inward. Okay. The toes and heel are in a normal position, but only the foot is turned inwards. Okay, it is a congenital anomalies where the foot is turned inward. Next one is talipes cavovarus. It is a club foot disorders where you can see there is a curvature in the foot and there is an inward movement of foot. Okay, so you can see there is a curvature and there is a foot is turned inward. Okay, so that is a talipes cavovarus. Talipes is a club foot disorders in which there is a curvature in the toe and foot is turned inward. That is why it is called as a talipes cavovarus. Next is talipes equinovarus. Talipes is a club foot disorders. Equino means heel is higher than the toes, and varus means foot is turned inwards. Okay, when the foot is turned inwards and heel is higher than the toes, it is said to be talipes equinovarus. Next is talipes calcano-cavus. Okay, talipes is a club foot disorders characterized by calcano. Calcano means toes are higher than the heel, and cavus, there is a curvature in the foot. Okay, so this is called as a talipes calcano-cavus. Okay, so here what happens here, it is a club foot disorders where toes are higher than the heel and there is a presence of curvature in the foot. Okay, so that is all about the talipes calcano-cavus. Okay, only you need to be thorough with this terminology. What is meant by cavus? Cavus means curvature in the foot. Okay, equinus means heel is higher than the toe. Okay, when the heel is higher than the toe, it is called as equinus. Then calcaneus, toes are higher than the heel. Okay, toes are higher than the heel. Then varus means foot is turned inward. Valgus means foot is turned outward. If you know about all these terminologies, they will give description of the foot defect and they will ask which type of club foot it is. Okay, so you need to understand Varus means what? Varus means inward, valgus means outward. Okay. Then what is that? Equinus means heel is higher than the toes, and calcaneus means toes are higher than the heel. If you know about this one, easily you can make out the different types of clubfoot. Okay. So if you are able to make a thorough revision of all these things, you can easily get 1 mark in the examination. Okay. So this is all about the clubfoot disorders or talipes. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please press like button, and if you are first time visitors, please subscribe to the channel and share to others. Okay, and press that bell icon. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll see you next video. Thank you very much.